Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by securing the originals so you can revert if needed. Copy the Mobile Legends music folder to your device or PC. Next, make sure the anime track is compatible. Convert to MP3 or OGG at 128 320 kbps and 44. 1 kHz to avoid playback issues. Once done, open your file manager or ADB connection. Navigate to the game's audio directory. You're now ready to replace files. Do this step by step to keep file names and formats exact. You will now perform the replacement. First, rename your anime audio to match the exact file name used by the game. Remember, some systems are case-sensitive, so copy-paste names. Then move a single test file into the game directory rather than replacing everything at once. Launch the game to confirm audio loads. If it works, continue with the rest. Make sure to restore original file permissions or set them to 644. Incorrect permissions can stop the game from reading files. Finish by clearing the game cache and restarting Mobile Legends to force the app to read new audio assets. This resolves most issues. If you don't hear the anime track, revert to your backups, reconvert the audio to another supported codec or bitrate, and test again. Small format mismatches cause failures. One troubleshooting tip. If the game crashes or audio is silent, restore originals, check file permissions and names. Then try a single file swap to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.